Welcome back, guys. In this video, I'm going to show you the best way to download a PS5 emulator. If you've been searching everywhere and still can't find the emulator, don't worry. I've provided the download link in the description. As usual, open the link and make sure you follow these steps carefully. One important thing, don't go to the code section. If you download it from there, the zip file may not work properly. Instead, go to the latest release section. Once you click on the latest release, you'll see 3 download options. Select the first option, exactly as I'm doing in the video. Some people say the emulator doesn't work for them, but that's usually because they didn't follow the steps correctly. Just follow along, download the file, and you're good to go. Once the download is complete, open the downloaded file and extract it to the same folder where it was downloaded. After extraction, a new folder will appear. Open that folder and look for the launcher application. Double-click it to launch the emulator. Congratulations! Your PS5 emulator is now installed. Now let's go over the settings. If you have a modern PC with a newer graphics card and processor, you can enable the higher performance settings. If you're using an older PC, it's best to leave the default settings as they are. There's also a network setting. By default, it may be set to none. Change it to network so the emulator can connect to the internet when needed. After making these changes, save the settings and restart the emulator. Once it relaunches, you're ready to use it. When the emulator starts, don't change too many settings, especially since it's still in an early development stage and may be unstable. Simply browse your installed games and start playing. If you don't know how to install PS5 games, let me know by leaving a like on this video, and I'll make a separate tutorial showing you the installation process. For now, just enjoy the emulator and avoid changing unnecessary settings to reduce the chances of crashes. In this demo, I'm launching Tekken 8, and I'll fast forward through the gameplay. All the required links are available in the description below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.